I learned on TikTok recently that the reason that we hiccup is because our body forgets that we aren't fish anymore. And so it's like trying to gulp for, water, air. And so if you tell your body that you are not a fish, that's supposed to stop the hiccups in their track. Hiccup. Okay, ready? We're going to try this out. I am not a fish. Hiccup. It didn't work. Okay, listen. I am not a fish. Hiccup. Doesn't work. It's been 3 minutes since I said I am not a fish. I just said it again. Now I'm not hiccuping. Think you have to say it 3 times like Beetlejuice?